Alright, so 2024 has flown by. We're almost in Q3, which means time to step up our saving game if we want to crush our financial goals for this year and beyond. In this video, I'm going to spill the beans on 5 simple, super effective money-saving hacks that Americans are absolutely loving in 2025. Trust me, these are the real deal. And by the way, hack number 5 is a total game changer. You definitely don't want to miss out on that one. So stay till the end. Now, before we dive into the juicy stuff, let's take a moment to appreciate the power of saving money. It's not just about pinching pennies, right? It's about making smart choices today so we can enjoy our lives tomorrow. Whether it's planning for retirement, buying a dream home, paying for your child's education, or simply having the freedom to pursue our passions, saving money is the key that unlocks all doors. But let's be honest, saving money can sometimes feel like pulling teeth, especially when we're bombarded with tempting marketing messages that tell us we need the latest gadgets or the trendiest clothes to be happy. But here's the truth. Saving money doesn't mean depriving ourselves of the things we love. It's about being intentional with our choices and finding smart ways to stretch our dollars further. With a little creativity and discipline, we can all become saving superheroes without breaking a sweat. So whether you're a seasoned saving pro or a newbie looking for inspiration, these money-saving hacks will show you that saving money can be easy, fun, and even exciting. Get ready to unleash your inner saving superhero and join the movement towards a brighter, more secure future. Now, let's get started. Hack No. 1. Automate your savings. Stop stressing over saving money. Just automate it. Americans are turning to apps like Chime, Acorns, and Digit to make saving effortless. These apps work their magic on your bank account and credit card, rounding up your purchases to the nearest dollar and whisking away the spare change to your savings account. For instance, if you buy a cup of coffee for $2.75, the app will round it up to $3 and stash the 25 cents in your savings. The best part? There's no manual effort needed. These apps do the math and the saving automatically for you. This way you'll be saving money without even realizing it. Plus, they offer an additional feature called autosave, where you can set a specific amount to be saved from each paycheck. This is a great way to start saving for a down payment on a house, a new car, or any other big-ticket item. Hack number 2. Outsmart your spending with cashback and reward credit cards. Cashback credit cards are like having a personal shopper who gives you money back on your purchases. But hold up. I'm not talking about those store credit cards that only work at Target or Walmart. We're going for the big leagues here. The big 5 banks like Chase, Bank of America, Wells Fargo, Citigroup, and Goldman Sachs have fantastic cashback credit cards. What's really cool is that these cards offer amazing perks and rewards. They offer bonus points for dining, travel, entertainment, and online shopping. It's like getting free stuff just for spending money you already plan to spend. Plus, many of these cards offer sign-up bonuses when you spend a certain amount within the first few months. Talk about a sweet deal. And here's a pro tip. Use these cards for all your regular expenses like groceries, gas, and utility bills. This way you can earn points on everyday purchases without even trying. But remember, credit cards can be tricky. Only use them if you can pay off your balance in full each month. Otherwise, the interest charges can quickly wipe out any cash back you earn. Hack 3. Optimize your utility bills. You know those pesky utility bills that seem to sneak up on us every month? Well, it's time to take charge and put a stop to those nasty surprises. Thanks to some nifty hacks, you can keep your utility costs under control and free up more of your hard-earned cash for the things you love. One way to do this is by investing in smart home technology. Smart thermostats can learn your temperature preferences and adjust automatically, saving you energy and money. Similarly, LED light bulbs use up to 75% less energy than traditional bulbs, making them a cost-effective and eco-friendly choice. By adopting these simple measures, you'll be well on your way to slashing your utility bills and enjoying the benefits of a more sustainable and affordable lifestyle. But it doesn't stop there. You can also leverage technology to monitor your usage in real time and identify areas for improvement. With a few tweaks and adjustments, you can take control of your utility costs and enjoy more financial freedom. Hack number 4. Meal prep and bulk buying. Eating out may be convenient, but it can quickly drain your wallet. To save money on food, consider adopting a simple solution: meal prepping. By taking the time to prepare your meals in advance, You'll avoid the temptation to order takeout or eat out, which can save you hundreds of dollars each month. Not only will this help you save money, but you'll also have healthier and more nutritious meals. Another effective way to save money on groceries is by buying in bulk. Wholesale clubs like Costco and Sam's Club offer great deals on staple items like rice, pasta, and oil, allowing you to stock up and save money in the long run. By combining meal prepping and bulk buying, you can significantly reduce your grocery bill and free up more of your budget for other expenses. Hack number 5. Use AI for smarter finances. You heard that right. AI can help you save money. It's like having a personal finance manager, except it works 24/7 without taking any breaks. With AI-powered tools, you can track your spending, create budgets, and find areas where you can cut back. Plus, AI can analyze your financial data and provide personalized recommendations on how to improve your financial situation. There are several AI tools available to help you manage your finances more effectively. One such tool is Pluto, a virtual financial assistant that helps you track your spending and create budgets. Another tool is Clio, a chat-based spending and saving assistant that uses AI to analyze your financial data and provide personalized recommendations. Then there's ChatGPT, a powerful language model that can help you analyze your monthly spending and identify areas where you can cut back. With these AI-powered tools at your fingertips, you'll be well on your way to smarter financial management and a brighter financial future. So those are the 5 money-saving hacks that Americans are loving in 2025. From automating your savings, with handy apps to leveraging AI-powered tools for smarter financial decisions, there are plenty of ways to keep more of what you earn. The key is to find what works best for you and your lifestyle. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. So why wait? Start implementing these hacks today and watch your savings grow. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more money-saving tips. Until next time, happy saving.